A car moving with a speed of 90 km per hour was brought uniformly to rest by the application of the brake in 10 seconds. How far did the car travel after the brake was applied? So we need to interpret this question before we can solve it correctly. So the word how far means the distance. So we need to find the distance. And then the initial velocity is going to be 90 km per hour. Initial velocity 90 kilometer per hour. And then here, the final velocity when it was brought to rest is going to be 0. And then we have the time taken for the car to be brought to rest by the application of the brake, which is giving us 10 seconds. First thing first, we need to convert this initial velocity to meter per second. And to do that, so our initial velocity will be 90 multiplied by 1000 meters divided by 60 by 60 seconds, okay? So when we do that, okay, this can cancel out this 0, this can also cancel out this 0. 90 times 10 is 900 over 36. And then when we divide 900 by 36, we're going to have 25 meters per second. So this is initial velocity, right? Before we can find the distance, we need to find what we call deceleration because the car was brought to rest. So it means there's a loss of acceleration, and that is deceleration. So it is the same thing as negative acceleration. So we are going to say change in velocity divided by the time taken. So final velocity is 0 minus the initial velocity, which is 25, divided by the time taken, and then we are having 10 here. So we are going to have minus 2.5 automatically meter per second square. So this is the acceleration now. Now, the appropriate equation to use is going to be S equal to UT plus 1 over 2 AT squared, because we have all these variables and then we're only looking for the distance. So we will just substitute them into this equation. So we have S equal to U is 9, not 90 now, it's 25. 25 times the time taken, which is 10, then plus 1 over 2 multiplied by the acceleration here, which is minus 2.5 times time taken, which is 10 squared. We bracket everything. So S equals to 25 times this, we are going to be having 250 plus, so 10 squared is 100. So let me just write it. So we're going to have something like this, multiplied by minus 10 squared is 100. So times 100 in bracket. These two can cancel this 100, and then we are going to have 50. So we're having this 250. For clarity, let me write it out clearly. Minus 2.5 times 50. Okay, so we are going to say 250. This is going to be minus now. Minus 2.5 times 50 is going to be 125. And then when we subtract this from this, automatically we are having 125 meters. So this is the distance at which the car traveled after the brake was applied. So this is how to solve this type of problem. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Please do like it and share it with more students. And if you're not following this page, endeavor to follow for more examples. Goodbye.